If you're in the middle of a garbage disposal dilemma, don't worry, it's an easy fix. Let's go over how to troubleshoot some common problems. Before we get started, we'll cover some safety tips. First things first, remember to always follow the guidelines of the manufacturer. Never stick your hand down the disposal or turn it off while it's still grinding. Keep the sink area free of clutter and always avoid using bleach. First, see if you can discover the problem. If your garbage disposal is giving you the silent treatment, there are a few simple solutions. Start by looking under the sink to double check that the garbage disposal is plugged in. Then push the red reset button at the bottom of the unit. If this doesn't work, check your main electrical panel in case a circuit breaker is tripped. If none of those do the trick, you may need a new disposal. If you flip on the disposal and hear a low humming sound, you probably have a clog on your hands. Before you start your repair, if you have a dishwasher, tighten a clamp over the flexible part of the drain line. This way, you can prevent dirty water from flowing where it shouldn't go. Make sure you turn off and unplug your garbage disposal. If there's standing water in the sink that isn't draining, use a plunger or bucket to clear it out. Now we're ready to go. Let's try removing the clog by manually turning the blades with an Allen wrench. Keep in mind, many garbage disposals come with one. Insert the Allen wrench into the hole at the bottom of the garbage disposal, then turn it back and forth to rotate the blades until you feel the blockage clear. If that doesn't clear the jam, you'll need to try manually rotating the impeller. You'll just need a garbage disposal wrench or a broom handle. Get started by inserting the tool through the top of the disposal. Work it back and forth until the blades move freely. If the blockage doesn't clear, a larger object might be the culprit. Try safely removing it from the top of the drain. Finish up by plugging the unit back in and flipping the switch. Here are a few helpful tips to keep your garbage disposal running longer. Once a year, grind up ice cubes to sharpen the blades. About every month, give it a good clean with a mixture of baking soda, vinegar, and hot water. And remember to never put grease, eggshells, coffee grains, starchy foods, or plastic in your garbage disposal. You're all set, and thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.